In today's video, I want to do a science experiment on Gates of Olympus Super Scatter. Now, I really enjoy this slot machine, but I've always been curious, what's better, the buy free spins or buy super free spins? If we had $100, should we just buy the free spins or should we buy the super free spins? Well, today I'm going to buy both with $100, $200 and $300, and we can compare which one performs the best, which one was most exciting, which one is most volatile, and it'll give you an idea if you want to try this slot machine out for yourself, how it works and potentially where to put your money. First one we'll do, buy $100 of regular free spins. Okay, wow, straight away I know, having played this, that we are already in the profit. It cost us $100. We've just won $103 already. So that is a nice start for the free spins. So you'll notice the difference as we play along. The free spins pay more in terms of what you actually win, but have lower multipliers. The super free spins pay a lot less, but the multipliers are much higher. You will see exactly what we mean. This is starting to go pretty well, to be honest. What's great about the Gates of Olympus is we stack those multipliers. So we're on multiplier 6, but we've still got 10 spins left. So the minimum multiplier will be a 6x. Obviously, you've got to connect them first. Oh, that'd have been a nice one. Ascend. So already we know $100 free spins, regular free spins, we're in the money, which is a pretty good start. I could do with a multiplier here. It gets frustrating when you have those big wins, but he doesn't put his hand up. Oh, I thought we had the big one then. That really looked like those crowns are the best ones you can get. Okay, that could have been a lot better, especially when we hit $103 within the first spin. But that gave us $33.70 profit. Pretty good. Any profit is good, right? So now let's do the $100 super free spins. I've got our stats here just to the side, just so we can see the dips and highs and lows. But I'll keep a note of the profit for each buy. Now what you'll notice here is that the multiplier, the minimum multiplier we can get is a 10x. You can get up to a 500x. So we've got the minimum multiplier, but early on, you just want to get a multiplier because they start stacking, like I said. You didn't really get to see the power of them on that last video. On that last buy, because we just didn't hit them. This isn't going great. Ascend. So we're on a 30x, but look at the payout, 13 cents. So 13 cents times 30x, just $3.90. Not good at all. Okay, let's hit a multiplier, please. Nope. Well, that was awful. That was absolutely awful. Minus 91. So at the moment, regular free spins is dominating. Now we got $200 regular free spins. I don't mind if the low ones don't do that great. If the big ones do good, that's good enough for me. We'll see, obviously, what we are up or down overall. Multiply this, please. No. We've not got any multipliers on the board. We've got a little 2x. Just start stacking those 2Xs. Still got 8 free spins. I do really enjoy this slot game. You guys familiar with the channel will know that I don't normally play slots with more roulette. Well, mainly roulette, blackjack, baccarat, etc. But I don't mind having a bit of fun on some slot machines every now and again. Come on, multiply that. Yes! We're not far off, guys. Oh, 6x is big for a regular one.
Legacy. Ascend.
Okay, that was not profitable. What's that? That is $28.10 down. Minus 28.10. Right. Super free spins. Your $200 buy. What do you reckon? Don't cheat. Do you reckon the super free spins is going to win? Do you think the regular free spins is going to win?
Mighty power.
Oh, how's that not blues?
Olympus.
We can start stacking 20Xs. We could do okay.
Legacy.
I mean, the actual payout there is terrible,
Ascend.
but our multipliers grow it. Come on, multiply this. Come on, you got to do it now, please. There we go. Okay, that's quite a big win for us. Still got 8 free spins.
Olympus. Legacy.
Come on.
Ascend.
Right, we're going to be in profit. We're at least $10 in profit. We've got big multipliers on the board. Oh, and we missed it. We didn't connect. Ah, that could have been amazing, but we missed it. Right, that's $10.80 profit. So before we go into the final rounds, we are minus $80 on the super free spins, and we are plus about $5 on the regular free spins. Right, time for a $300 regular free spin. So you can see the regular free spins so far haven't been that volatile. $33 win, $28 down. The last one was on the super free spins, it was $91 down, $10 up. Could do with hitting some big stuff here.
Legacy. Ascend. Mighty power.
He's putting his arm up, but we're just not connecting anything.
Legacy.
Okay, we've got a 6x. Still not that big.
Mighty power. Olympus.
Oh, this is awful. Some blues or reds.
Ascend. Mighty power.
Oh,
Olympus.
a little bit, not a lot though. That's a big loss. That is a big loss. That is, let me work that out. It's about $180 that we just lost there. Right, super free spins. You can win this now. Super free spins for 300. Let me just try and pick up my pen. Still got a broken arm, excuse me. Right. So up until the last bit, regular free spins was the way to go. Let's see if super free spins can change that. It'd be nice to finish in some profit. I do like this game, but obviously slot machines, anything can happen.
Legacy. Ascend.
Okay, stack those multipliers.
Mighty power. Olympus.
But we're going to need to hit some bigger wins than 15 cent.
Legacy.
No.
Ascend.
Oh, this is awful. So bad. Come on. Multiply this.
Olympus.
We did it. We got 50x at the end. Oh, yeah. We still lost money. That saved us right at the end. That's going to put the free spins. Sorry, that's going to put the super free spins as the winner of this little experiment. So we only lost. It'd be nice not to lose, but we lost $32 then. Which means, let me just quickly do this math. 80, 30. So we're 120 down for the super free spins. But that last one for the regular free spins meant that we're 170-ish down. Both of them lost this session. But if you enjoy the volatility, the super free spins is the way to go if you play 3 times both. Hope you like this little experiment. Just wanted to play a bit of slot machines. We've been doing a lot of roulette recently. If you're new to the channel, we normally do strategies on table games, but come subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.